You know what I really like? You see someone that cares about their work. Piping just looks awesome. Fuck yeah. Hey, this guy here. It's making a noise. Making a noise. Ready? Look at that fan motor. Oh no. Power! That's enough of that. Off. I'm gonna follow our motor wires, this bundle of guys here. And we're gonna keep track of which one went where. So white would be our neutral, right? If this relay closes for cool, it's a faster speed. Heat is a slightly slower speed. And there should be 2 park or spare. Yeah, there's a spare. Focus, you motherfucker. And there's a spare. So, take those off. Nice. All loose down there. I'm gonna take this board off and dangle it over there. Nice, we got it tucked up there. Now, all of these blowers just pull out. Just gotta take out some screws. The whole thing slides right out. Oh, she moves there. That's good. Ooh. Yeah, she's had a rough go. Look at that. Yucky. Make sure she's discharged between those 2 points. Okay. It's supposed to be 10 microfarads between you and you. We're still good on the capacitor. She's just yucky. Yucky. Okay, well, swap you out. Hey, that's not what I wanted. Son of a bitch. I guess we're doing it the hard way. Let's teach you guys some stuff. So this set screw on this side can actually be removed using your service wrench. Nice. Flip it over. Thank you. I'm gonna remove these 4. And the ground wire. Usually put the screws back. Kind of sort of why I found them. I don't know, I have extra screws laying everywhere. Now if we're lucky, it should just pull out. Oh. Nice. That does not happen every day. It's a good day, it's a good day. Let's take a closer look at you. Yeah, you're just a dirty boy. Okay. I don't like how dirty this wheel is. I don't like how dirty any of this is. So we're gonna go and clean it. To anyone who doesn't know how to get the fan out, there's this bottom piece right here. Usually held together with 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. It slides out. And now this can skip. Nice. Oh yeah, that's much better. Much better. As a side note, this is a fan wheel that throws the air. It's a forward incline, forward curve fan. So when we put it in, we make sure that the blades are actually grabbing and throwing the air, right? So the air is going this way. The blades have to grab and throw the air. Like this. If I put it in this guy this way, that way, it'd be like a lazy backhand, right? like your drunk mother would give you when you were a kid, right? Not very effective. No, no. Assemble! Yeah, right on. Let's get you back in the furnace room. Right, now we've got you back. Let's replace you. There she is. Right on. Good old rescue motor. Heck yeah. 4-speed, same specs. The only thing that's different that we should take note of before we put this belly band on it is the old motor had a black wire on the cool terminal and a blue wire on the heat terminal. The old motor black wire was for high speed. And the new motor black wire is also for high speed. But the old motor blue wire was for medium low speed. So we got to remember that this motor has black wire going on cooling, yellow wire going on heating. Right on. Okay, let's grab you. Right on, and then we're just gonna slap you on here. Yeah, right on. Give it a good slap. Right on. So our fan motor's in, it spins freely. Spins freely. We have our black fan wire on cool, yellow fan wire on heat. Cool. If the motor spins the wrong way, I just switch these two wires. This purple one goes orange, the other one goes purple, and it'll change the direction of the motor. So, let's see what happens. Oh, we're going the right way first try? No way. Big stamp here. It says rotation goes that way. Well, you tell me. Is it going that way? I think it is. Yeah. So now we take an amp draw, but otherwise we are done.